Apart from customizing and extending Webiny on the application level, or in other words, for example, Webiny's admin app or its GraphQL API, it's also possible to customize and extend the cloud infrastructure on which Webiny relies on. Not only it is possible to customize the existing infrastructure, but it's also possible to introduce new infrastructure resources, such as new AWS Lambda functions, new DynamoDB tables, S3 buckets, and so on. Note that, unlike with the extensions that we've been creating in previous videos, cloud infrastructure customizations and extensions are performed via the four webiny.application.ts files, located within the folders of 4 project applications of which every Webiny project consists of. So in the apps folder, we have core/Webiny application ts, API/Webiny application ts, and the same goes with admin and website. Depending on the requirement that we have in front of us, we may need to add code only one of these 4 files, but we may also need to add code in 2 or even all 4 files. Furthermore, note that in most of the cases, the code we are writing here is essentially Pulumi code, so anytime you end up needing extra information about a particular resource or how to implement a certain use case, checking their docs is usually a good step to take. So in the upcoming videos, we'll go over a couple of examples that show how to implement some of the more common requirements we've seen in the past. For starters, we'll show how to ensure the deployed AWS resources contain tags that are relevant to your organization. So let's jump into the code.